LeetCode question number 1032, stream of characters. This is hard question. Let's get into it. Implement the stream checker class as follow. Stream checker words is constructor. Init the data structure with the given words. Query letter return true if and only if for some case to bigger equal than 1 plus the last k characters queried. In order from oldest to newest, including this letter, just queried. Spell one of the words in the given list. Okay, today I'm gonna use the try the data structure. So first I will try from the given word, and then the challenge is that we needed to search it from the end to from start. So how we gonna do that? My solution, my idea is I will put the try the reverse the word. So in this case I will put the D first. So this is root, and then B and C, and then this is the tail, and next is F. F is only one, and F this one is tail, and then finally L, K. So K is tail. And then to check the end first, so I will make the I will use the DQ, and then every time I put to the left side. So first A put here, and then B, and then I will check the BA, and then next character C I will check CBA, and then D. So that means I can check from the end, because checking the character also start from end, and then also try also reverse it. So I think it makes sense. Okay, let's implement code. Okay, I will make the try class first because Python did provide try, and then def init self, and then I will make the self root is hash map object, and then okay def I will make add is the received word, and then word is string. Then I will not return anything. So first node is I will start the self root, and then I will get a character from word, and then if character in node I will just go in, but if it is not, I need to make a new one. Your character, and then I will move node is node character. I will move to the bottom one, and then when I go to tail, I need to check the tail. I will use period, and then so if any node has this key, that is the tail. That means the end of the word. Does this make sense? Okay, so okay, let's implement the stream checker. First, I need to create instance. The try is try, and then also we need to DQ, make the stream is collections DQ. I will use DQ. And then I put the try. This is second. And then I get what in words from words, and then I will add self try and add word, and then I will do reverse word. And then I think I'm done. Okay, let's make query. Query I need to stream right. First I will append the string first, self string, append left, and then put the letter, and for getting character from the self string, and then I need to get try pointer name is node is self try root. Try root is this one. And then if character in node, no, first I needed to move to, okay, if character in node, I will move node is node character, and then if this one is tail, if this one is tail, I will return true. Otherwise, no need to traverse, right? So break for iteration, and then return first. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's check the code. Okay, looks good. All right. Okay, let's check the time complexity. Time complexity, in the initial state, it has words in word, and then word also split by character. So, okay, let's say n is number of character in words. Then we can say this is big O n linear time, and space is also s is number of character in string. We also say the space complexity also big O n, but time complexity is we just use the try, and then it only take the height of try. Height of try, the maximum is the maximum word length of words. So maximum word length words is W, and then time complexity of the query, it take big O W. Thank you.